What's up guys, C-Twan13 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Yeti USB microphone. Alrighty guys, so you know I have the Blue Snowball microphone, but I decided if I want to step up my game in terms of recording voiceovers for different videos and that sort of thing, this would be a good option, and I did get a good deal on it. So let's go ahead and get into this and see what it's like. There's not a whole lot into this, obviously. It's just the microphone, and it's pretty simple, but I just thought I'd show you guys. As always with all of Blue's products, we've got very nice packaging here. Let's see. This should just come out, but I might want to use something else to pry it up. No, I was wrong, guys. It actually opens right here. Well, it should anyway. There we go. Alright, there is a mini USB cable. You can see it terminates in a mini USB end there. And then it's just USB-A on the other end. Alright. There's your manual. Want to hold on to that just because, there's a couple settings here, but it is very simple. That's another thing I love about the Yeti that, a lot of other microphones can't have going for them, is that it's just dead simple to use. Just like the Snowball, it really doesn't get that complicated, but it is a very high quality microphone. Alright, let's get that silica gel out of here. And there it is. And of course your cable goes in on the bottom here. We'll go ahead and hook that up. So there that is. And that's the microphone. Now again, working with the camera that I'm using right now to film videos, I will be getting a lapel mic so that I can better record audio, higher quality, even when I'm further away from the camera. But when it comes to doing voiceovers and that sort of thing in other types of videos, this is the microphone I'll be using. And once I get live streams figured out on my computer and I start doing live streams on my computer, I'm going to be using this along with that webcam that I unboxed just a week ago. So anyway guys, that's been a quick look at the Blue Yeti microphone. Not a lot to it, but you'll be hearing this in any new videos that I do with a voiceover, as well as any new live streams. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a like. If you have any questions about it, comments, leave them below. And if you want to see more, get subscribed.